Good morning, everyone. My name is Kiana Carla M. Niles. Our topic for today is about nucleic acid. You may have heard about nucleic acid when talking about DNA or RNA because the NA literally stands for nucleic acid. It allows genetic information to be passed on from generation to the next. Meaning to say, sa genetics ang kanyang function. This is where all the genetic information is stored and allows cells to produce all the necessary protein structure in the living organism. Nucleotides. So, it is the building blocks of nucleic acid. So, what are nucleotides? It is composed of phosphate group with negatively charged, a sugar portion, ito po yung pentose sugar, na present sa both DNA and RNA. Next one is the nitrogenous base or the N base na kinocompose po ng cytosine, adenine, thymine, and guanine. And yung isa is uracil. There are two types of sugar that found in nucleic acid. The first one is the DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. Ito po yung kanyang formula. C5H10O4 sa RNA or ribonucleic acid is C5H10O5. DNA and RNA are polynucleotides. So, what are the meaning of polynucleotides? These are chains of nucleotides that play important role in the storage and transfer of information. Information na tinutukoy po dun is yung genes, the unit of heredity na nagdadala ng mga traits and characteristics ng parents that can transfer through their children or to the next generation. So, ito po yung structure ng DNA and RNA. DNA is a double helix. Yan po. Double-stranded siya or double helix. RNA naman po ay isang single bond, single-stranded. The function of DNA is to repository of genetic information. It carries genes and traits. Yes. Yan po yung kinapapalooban ng DNA. The genes and the traits, hereditary. The basic unit of heredity that plays crucial in identify of every individual or their relatives. In other words, DNA acts like a blueprint in our body. Sa RNA naman po, it is synthesized from DNA through a DNA transcription. DNA is the template copy into RNA by base pairing. Ang base pairing po is sa DNA, adenine and thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Pagka sa RNA po, adenine, napalitan ang thymine ng uracil. Tapos yung guanine, bond pa din po siya together with cytosine. Thank you. That's all.